Welcome to Localize. In this video, we'll show you how to create and manage user groups for your team. User groups will help you to set up shared permissions for specific groups of users, eliminating the need to grant those permissions on a per-user basis. This will save you both time and money when managing your team in the Localize dashboard. You can access user groups from the Team page in the Manage Organization section. Just like team permissions, user groups are created at the organization level. Groups can be created for various reasons, like creating a group for a specific set of translators, or for other personas like content managers and administrators. We're going to create a group for all content managers on the team. Click Create Group. Enter a name for the group and a description. Click Save Group. Select Manage Group for the new group. Click on the Group Members tab. Start typing the name of a team member. Then select the member from the list. Then click the Add button. Repeat this for all members that you want to add to the group. To select the specific permissions for the group, click on the Permissions tab. Just like team permissions, access can be granted for features at the organization level, across all projects, or at the individual project level. For the Content Managers group, we will give them the Create Projects permission at the organization level. Click Save to save the organization-wide permission settings. For all projects, we'll give them the Phrases, Languages, and Announcements permissions. For the Benefits of Composting project, we'll give the group order permissions so that they can order human translations from one of our language service providers. Note that any permissions granted in a user group are granted in addition to the existing permissions for each team member in the group. This allows you to have incredible flexibility in assigning permissions across your team. Let's look at the permissions for user Emma Greenthumb. She's a member in both the Spanish Translators and Content Managers groups. The Spanish Translators group only provides the translation permission for Spanish and no other languages. We can see here that she has the translator permission for the Spanish language. If you hover your mouse over the permission or language, you'll see a tooltip showing that this permission was granted at the group level. At the individual projects level, Emma has been granted the permission to order human translations in the Community Composting project at the individual level. So she'll be able to add human translations to all projects, and where needed, she can order human translations for the Community Composting project from one of our language service providers. You can quickly see the flexibility that the User Groups feature adds to managing your team.